If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. As usual, I will cover for you all the lists that you can see to the right side of the screen. The XY, Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold of course, and all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. By the way guys, all of you who are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end to not miss anything. This our YouTube channel, it's called We Trade Waves, as you can see here. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. So again, the XY is the first chart that we cover usually. It's the dollar index, and we are using TradingView as a charting platform. This is the daily chart, and this is actually dollar index. From here, those of you again who are new, make sure guys to go back and watch some of our previous forecasts, like here in this one. And since the past few months, I would say 4 to 5 months, we said guys, dollar is toward the downside, dollar will be falling, and I'm repeating 110 because it was a crazy level, a crazy forecast from us, and we said market will be falling all the way down to break this low once more. Remember this daily chart, and this move is more than 1200 pips till now, and it's a big move guys, by the way. Yeah, again, we have high accuracy. You can go and check this by yourself, but this was a perfect forecast and this was crazy. Even before the election here, we said this will be going to the upside 110 and then all the way down, and that's what the market was doing since the past few months. I'm repeating 5 to 6 months even, we were forecasting this one and it was spot on. Anyway, for this one, again, like I said, this is the daily. I'll go back to the 4 hours now just to show you what's next and what the market was doing here and what to expect next for the dollar and the tariffs war as well between China and US and all what's happening worldwide. Anyway, the direction was toward the downside. Most of you know that. Even last week we said market will be falling even if we get a corrective structure. Anyway, for this one, we've got the gap here last week. Market dropped. We broke this low and broke as well the previous low, which was here, this one, and then we'll start to push to the upside. Alan, is this the end of the trend? That's the biggest question. No, it's not. We don't think that this is the end of it. What we can see next for the dollar is a corrective structure here. One will push up before any next structure. If market push the downside after this drop, it's very possible. I would say it's doable and it's a high chance still. And after this drop, market can push to the upside after. The bigger structure, guys, the bigger trend, I would say, and the bigger move will be discussed in detail for WTW Pro members next week for the Q&A session. The detail will be shared anyway later on, but just to let you know, the Q&A sessions are for WTW Pro members only. And if you want to join, the details are in the description and in our website as well if you want to check it out. Again, for the dollar, corrective structure on push up before the next drop if market needs to fall. Which way to trade is up to you. For now, what we can see is a corrective structure, one push up before the next move. All right. Euro dollar for this one, again, market is moving as expected. You've got the corrective structure up, and then now what we can see market will be doing is a corrective structure upwards, one more fall before the next up wave. That's what we can see market will be doing. Which way to trade is up to you. For us, we'll be trading this drop if we get the sell setup, and even this up wave if we get a scalping trade to the upside, we might go for it. After this drop, we will not be buying euro dollar guys before the buy setup. So buy setup is essential. Knowing where the structure will be ending is very important. That's why guys, the Sunday sessions are again crucial for you to attend. They are actually for WTW Pro members if you want to attend them, where we share as well the trade setups and we cover all the charts and details with the levels. So most of our trades of the week that were shared last Sunday, they are in profits and our members are making money anyway. So for this one, that's regarding the structure and that's regarding the, I'll say the forecast for euro dollar. Like I said, the structure here will give us a correction, one more drop, and then we'll push up before the next move. All right. Again, which way to trade is up to you. Pound dollar, before I cover this one, guys, I want to show you something very important just for those of you who want to join us. This is what we have actually been making, and this is some of our success stories. Last week, just from last Saturday till now, guys, just in the last 7 days. All right. So you can see Bilal, he is actually, he started a 4K account. He's making profits. Well done, Bilal. He have actually a challenge here to turn this one to 50K. Let's see if he can do it. I think you can do it, Bilal. Nothing actually can stop you. Again, Kunal actually was buying dollar yen. Christian, he got this certificate as well from Funded Next. It's not a advertisement, guys, just to let you know that he's passing this one as well. And if you scroll down again, Bilal actually, he doubled the account in almost like few days. Again, can you do the same? Yes, you can. Is it easy? No, it's not easy, because our goal is to help you become independent, successful trader and make money. That's what our members are doing, and that's why you see high success, I would say, rate, and that's why you see a lot of success stories inside Weighted Waves. Thank God, guys, we are able to teach the traders and help them actually to be on the right track. And you can see the success stories every single week I'm showing you. If you are actually not aware about the previous ones, you can go back again to our YouTube channel and watch the previous forecasts, because if I need to cover the success stories, all of them, we probably need more than 30 to 45 minutes to cover all of them. Anyway, Kunal was making 50K as well in the past 3 months. It was crazy. Well done, Kunal. I will not play the video, guys. It will take time. And if you scroll down, you will see a lot of success stories as well at a later stage. So this is the Discord community. You'll get access to this one as soon as you join. I'll show you as well some of the private messages, by the way. Look at this one. This actually, Hani, look at this, guys, by the way. Hani, he deposited 500 and it turns out to 2.6K. Again, Hani, well done. You might not understand the language, by the way, guys. This private message, some of you might understand if you are actually living in Lebanon, or if you know the Lebanese language, you might understand here what we are speaking. But again, this actually the result of Hani. He joined us last month, and well done, Hani. You are doing a great job. All right, so that's some of the success stories, just to show you guys what you are missing if you will not join us. And if you want to join, you know what to do. WTW Pro is the solution, and you can check it on the website. Again, if I go to Weighted Waves here, just to show you, this is the website. It's weightedwaves.com. And if you join here, you go to check actually the features. This is the feature of WTW Pro. You can check it here, and you can read all of this and take decision if you want to join and jump to the next level or not. It's up to you. So back to pound dollar for this one. What's next for this, Alan? Pound dollar actually went to the upside, and we are here making some sort of double top formation. For us, it's very good here, because this way we can see liquidity above these tops, and market will give us a corrective structure, one push up before the next structure. If I go to the 4 hours here, market is about to give us this structure here, correction, one more drop. It's not needed for the structure, by the way, guys, because this can go all the way out to break this top once more, one more drop before the next up wave. In all the cases, we will be trading the sell setup first before the buy setup, just to be clear on that. Okay, the levels will be shared by T tomorrow. If you want to join, it's during the Sunday sessions. Gold for this one, like I said to you last week, guys, buying from here, it's suicide, and that's exactly what market have done. It went to 3.5K, exactly here, 3.5, and from here we've got the drop. What's next? One push up is very possible to complete the structure, and after that, if we get again the geopolitics supporting the move, after this up wave here, just to show you, after this an expanding flat, by the way, up, corrective structure up. If market go to upside to break this top once more, another drop will be coming. The trade of the week, guys, will be shared tomorrow. The trades of the week, I will say, with the levels. Do not miss them, because they will help you a lot and actually seeing the next move and trading the next move as well. All right. So regarding this one, corrective structure, one more drop is what we can see next. First thing first, up is the move before the next structure. Breaking this high is possible. It's high chance, by the way, before the next structure. Also, guys, just for those of you who want to actually to join a broker, a trusted broker, we have a partnership with Trade Nation. You can check the link on the description on our website as well. So if you go to Weighted Waves here, if you sign up, guys, with our link here, with our, I would say, Trade Nation link, which is this one here, just to show you, if you sign up via this one here, you will get faster verification. And regarding Trade Nation, you can do as well your research to see if they are trusted or not. But again, for us, they are regulated, they are trusted. We have actually tested them. And again, if you want a trusted broker, you can join them. Aussie dollar for this one, market actually is going to the upside, but after this up wave, we can see market correcting to the downside here before the next up wave. First thing first, drop before the next up move. Which wave to trade is up to you. This is an uptrend here, this is an up wave, and market will be pushing the upside after a corrective structure. This correction can take us all the way down to break this low once more. It's not important. As long as this correction will be finished, we can go for the buy setup after that. New Zealand dollar for this one is exactly the same. Like Aussie dollar, this was a perfect move to the upside, crazy move. After this up wave, correction here, and then push up is very possible for New Zealand dollar. If you are in the buy, make sure to move your stops and let the market unfold. Dollar yen for this one, again, market is pushing to the upside after just touching this low. Again, it's some sort of double bottom formation, but for this one, we can see market pushing to the downside here before any next structure. So drop for at least 100 pips before the next structure. Which wave to trade is up to you. You know, from here to it's more than 200 pips for dollar yen. You can trade this one if you'd like to, and after that we can go for the buy setups if the market will give us the buy. But for now, for dollar yen, we're looking for the sell setups first before the next structure. Dollar Swiss for this one is exactly the same. We said to you last week, do not miss the buy, guys. And I really hope some of you took the buy and they are in profits now. After that, might give us a corrective structure, one push up before the next move. All right. So for this one, again, correction before the next up wave is what we can see next for dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD for this one, market actually went to the downside, but we can still see market will push to the upside. If I go to the 4 hours, this is a corrective structure to us, and then after that, even if market go down to break this low, up is the move. All right. So dollar CAD up is what we can see next for this structure. USOIL for this one, market is giving us a corrective structure. If this will turns out to be a corrective structure, guys, one more fall before breaking this top. And even if this will go up to break this top, another drop will be coming. Which way to trade is up to you. If you are in the buy, move your stops. If not, you can wait for market to give you a corrective structure to try the sell. And if you get in the sell, you can take profits here and manage your trade. Okay. If not, market will push the upside to break this top once more, and then after that will give us the sell. Which way to trade is up to you. For us, we'll be focusing on the sell setups before the next structure. If you are in the buy, just move your stops and let the market unfold. Bitcoin for this one, I really hope, guys, some of you are in. You know that we said market push the upside. It's up in all the cases. We are bullish for Bitcoin and market is pushing to the upside. What's next? Corrective structure. Another push up is what we can see next for Bitcoin. If you remember this forecast, guys, give us thumbs up and leave a comment, because again, this will help us and it will help YouTube algo as well to show this forecast to more traders. Again, it will be important. So Bitcoin up is the move. Corrective structure on push up is what we can see next for this one. US30 for this, market is pushing to the upside. The structure is in the making. Corrective structure is what we can see next before the next up wave. Of course, this depending on the tariffs war, like we said, and on the geopolitics. More details will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss it. A lot of charts will be covered. And like I said, once you join, guys, Weighted Waves, you will get access to all of this here. Just to show you, these are the features. Again, you will get access to the Discord community from day one. You will get access as well to the Masterclass course here. This is the dashboard that you will get access to once you join. Once you click on this Masterclass course, you will get access to all of this, all the chapters, of course. And again, you will get access to everything that is explained. And if you want to know if we are actually just to see the feedback for Weighted Waves, once you go to here, this is not a picture, guys, this is a link, all right? So, but for us, if you click here, you will be redirected to Trustpilot website. You know Trustpilot, right? It's #1 reviews website in the internet nowadays. And if you go here, you can just read some of the feedback just to see some of the stories might be exactly as yours. So you can see it by yourself, guys, and you can see actually, you can take decision accordingly if you want to join us or not. Again, WTW Pro members, T will see all of you tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Thank you very much, and you trade with care.